Guys, in our previous video, we discussed some major features of the Funder Pro. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the utilities, about the use cases of the Funder Pro. Because as we all know that there are a number of prop firms in the market. But the major issue behind most of the prop firms are especially security and secondly the withdrawal timing. And at this time, Funder Pro is the only prop firm which will give you the withdrawal in only 8 hours. Secondly, about the security, it is the official sponsor of the rising star of Formula 2 Ferrari. So guys, this video is specifically for all of you, because if you don't have as much investment and you want to take the start, you want to learn something about the trading, so this video is specifically for you. So stay tuned with us till the end of this video so you will be able to learn something about the Funder Pro.
Feel uninvited.
So guys, starting with the major news about the Funder Pro, that it is the official sponsor of Formula 2 Ferrari rising star Olivier Man. Now, something more about the trading. As I told you earlier, that it is the only prop firm which will give you the withdrawal in only 8 hours, because most of the prop firms will give you the withdrawals in minimum 72 hours or more than 72 hours. It means that you will have to wait for 3 days. Now the best part is 80 by 20% profits, keep up to 80% profit and scale. And what does this mean? That you can scale up to $5 million. So trade with a leading prop firm. We are transforming how traders interact with financial markets by creating a gateway to lower risk trading. So for example, if you don't have as much funds, you can simply start with the Funder Pro, because it is one of the best prop firm, especially about the security, secondly about the withdrawals. Now how you can start? Now the basic thing is, first of all, you have to sign up on the Funder Pro. I will also add the card of that very video, our previous video, so easily you can check out that video and you will be able to create your own account on the Funder Pro. Secondly, how you can start trading on the Funder Pro. Prove your consistency and skills over a simplified two-step evaluation process. Once you achieve your targets, you will start trading on a live STP account and keep 80% of the profits. That is huge. Seriously, if you got the account of, for example 100,000 and you will be able to earn more than 10,000, it means $8,000 will be in your pocket. Now get funded. That is the major thing, because if you don't have as much funds, still you'll have the chance to join Funder Pro. So get funded, become a certified Funder Pro trader with the opportunity to scale. Prove your consistency and receive a 50% increase every 3 months, all the way up to $5 million. So choose your account size. Basically they have number of account sizes over here and you can manage up to 200,000. As I told you earlier also about this thing, that you'll also have the chance, for example, if you are going to become the Funder Pro trader, here you can see everything is indefinite. So here you can see profit target indefinite. Secondly, minimum trading days, you'll have number of days, $10,000, maximum daily drawdown, maximum overall drawdown will be $20,000. Number of people are talking about the Funder Pro. They were asking me that how we can start. First of all, you'll have to sign up on the Funder Pro and then you have to read each and everything. You can check out our videos and then you will be able to learn something more. And after learning, then you'll have the chance to trade on MT4, you'll have the chance to trade on MT5. Everything will be in your fingertips. So here you can see funded by real capital, $5 million scale up plan. Consistently achieve a 10% profit target to be eligible for a 50% balance increase every 3 months. So the best part is, as I told you earlier, that if you are going to deposit $50,000 in the Funder Pro, after every 3 months you will get 50% of the deposit amount. No time limits. In an industry first, Funder Pro has no time limit on any of the challenges. 80% of your profits split. We win when you win, and to reward your consistency and skill, you will keep 80% of the profits. Lowest target in the industry, low cost, Great quality access in seconds and get your fees refunded. Get the fees you paid back to your account when you successfully complete stage 2. That is the best part, frankly speaking. If you are going to pay something, you will get each and everything back once you will achieve the stage 2. So experience the unlimited, sign up in seconds and join a global community of funded traders. Now we are going to log into our account, and also I will tell you that how you can start. So guys, after login to your account, here you can see all the options. Become a funded trader, trade up to $200K. That is huge. Get funded with real funds and no time limits. Profit target 10% stage 1 and 8% stage 2. And after completing your stage 2, all the fees will be refunded. Maximum daily drawdown 5%, maximum overall drawdown 10%, scaling plan on the 100K and 200K challenges. Now, what type of platforms they are offering you? The brand new platform which I love the most is Trade Locker. You can simply click on this option, and here you can see all the options are available, and simply you can use the demo on the Trade Locker. Secondly, if you are an old trader, then you can simply use the MT5 or MT4. All the options are available on the Funder Pro. Now the best part is that you can simply refer your friends, and you can even earn with the referral system. So overall, it is a win-win position for everyone. What you think, share with me in the comment section, and also I will share my own referral link in the description of this video. Kindly sign up with my referral link, because you will get number of options in the near future with the help of the Funder Pro. Thanks a lot.